Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given exponential function using the chain rule. This time, our exponential function is with base expressed in Euler's number. So you have here the integral of e to the power of x plus 9 dx. Unlike the previous three videos pertaining on the use of chain rule for the antiderivative of exponential function, we'll be using here the second rule for antidifferentiating exponential function for Euler's number e. It is actually in this form: the integral of e to the power of dx is just equal to e to the power of x plus c. So as simple as that. We have proven this already as well in this playlist using the rule for the antiderivative of exponential function where our base is any constant except for e. Okay, but before we do this, since we are talking about chain rule, and when you look at the exponent, it's no longer x, it's x plus 9. Let's try to verify this as a composite function and use the chain rule. So we have your e to the power of x plus 9, where our f of x is of course e to the x itself, and your g of x is the binomial expression x plus 9. Using that g of x as the x of your f of x, you will have e to the power of x plus 9 in itself. So this fits the criteria for the chain rule for differentiating composite functions, the integral of f of g of x, but we are going to have here g prime of x dx. We need to introduce this before we could have the antiderivative of f of g of x, which will use this rule plus c. Okay, so with that, I already have here g of x. Our g prime of x is just 1. So this example is actually very basic. We have another examples as well where our g prime of x is no longer equal to 1, because applying that here, it's just the integral of e to the power of x plus 9 using g prime of x to meet the criteria for chain rule dx. We don't need to divide this entire expression by another number because what we just multiplied here is just equal to 1. And that fits the chain rule. And this time, let's try to verify the answer or get the answer using this. So it's just e to the power of x plus 9 itself plus c. Yes, this is the answer to this item using the chain rule. Now you might say it's just very easy. Of course, this is just the first example. We'll have a different form when our g prime of x is not equal to 1, and of course another examples as well. We also have another method in solving for this just to verify whether our answer here is correct or not, and it will be provided in the next video. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!